Hi, I'm Dilip Kumar Reddy Baireddy, a graduate student at Valparaiso University in the stream of Information Technology. Today, in this video, I'm going to do some tasks which are given for our project. For that, I'm using MySQL command line client. So now we are given a database named Vintage Mall, and I'm going to import that one using Workbench. Before I do that, I'll do a timestamp with my name so that this project is done uniquely by me. So here is the proof that I have done the project, and now I'm going to import the given database, the Vintage Mall, from the Workbench. The given database is in downloads on my laptop, so I'm going to import that file by using the Workbench tool. Yeah, we can see that the import is completed now. So I would show that one in command line. Yeah, you can see that the Vintage Mall can be seen in the command line tool, which was imported from the Workbench. Now let's see what are the tables present in this database, the Vintage Mall. So for that, I need to use the database first. So I'm going to use a query called use database. Yeah, you can see that the database is changed now. Now I'm going to see what are the tables present in this database. Yeah, you can see that there are 8 tables. Those are customers, employees, offices, order details, orders, payments, product lines, and products. So I'm going to describe some of these tables. I can see that there are many attributes in the table customers. And there are 8 attributes in the table employees. And you can see that there are 9 attributes in the table offices. Like this, you can see we can describe each and every table present in our database. So now let's go into the questions. I think the first, second, and third questions are covered in the video itself until now. Now I'm going to do the fourth one. For that, I need to display the customer number, the customer name, and the sales representative employee number of all the customers whose credit limit is over $100,000. So now I'm going to write a query. It's like select customer number, customer name, and the sales representative employee number. Sales representative employee number from the table customers. And now here comes the condition. We are using where clause here in order to get the correct condition. Where credit limit is greater than, I'm sorry for that one. I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to add the credit limit also here. Where credit limit is greater than $100,000. Yeah, now we can see that there are around 25 rows showing the customer numbers, the customer name, and the sales representative employee number. And we can also see the credit limit. These credit limits are all greater than $100,000. So in order to arrange them accordingly, so we can use order by statement. So I'm going to do that one now. Oh, sorry. I need to describe what I need to order. Oops, sorry for that one. Yeah, now you can see that the credit limit is arranged accordingly in the descending order. You can see the topmost credit limits on the top and the least in the bottom. So this covers the fourth question. Now I'm going to do the fifth one. So in the fifth one, I need to change the email domain from classicmodelcards.com to vintagemall.com from all employees reporting to the EMEA sales manager. So for that, I need to describe the employees table first. I need to see what this table contains. So I'm using select query for that one. So we can see that the sales manager EMEA job title has a classicmodelcars.com as an email domain. So we need to update that one. So I'm going to do that by using an update statement. So now I'm going to write a query that is regarding update. So I need to update the employees table. So I need to set the condition so that I need to set email that is equals to gbondor@vintagemall.com, and now I need to give the condition where it needs to be applied. So I'm using where condition with employee number is equals to 1102. I'm giving the employee number as 1102 because it is the one with job title sales manager EMEA. So I'm going to give that employee number as in the where clause. Now you can see that the rows have been changed, and now let's see the content of this table by using the select query. Yeah, now we can see that the email domain has been updated to vintagemall.com, and this covers the fifth question. So I'm going to do the sixth one now. In the sixth one, I'm asked to use a subselect statement which determines the sales manager in whose territory the three richest customers reside. So for this question, I need to take two tables, and from that two tables I need to write a subselect statement. You can also use join statements, but in this question I was asked to use a subselect statement, so I'm going to do that one. For this I'll be using the customer table and the employee table, so that from the customer table we can see the credit limit and we can know who is the richest customer in that one. So now I'm going to write a query for this subselect. Select customer number and credit limit from customers. And now I need to give a where condition, because we need to see the top richest people in the customers table. So I have done some research on this one, and I had come to a conclusion that the top 3 customers are above a credit limit of $140,000. So I'm giving a condition for that one, where credit limit is greater than $140,000. And now I'm using AND here because I need to give another select statement, which is known as a subselect. So I'll be giving another select statement which includes the job title from the employee table, and I'm asked to give a condition where the sales manager is in whose territory. So I'll be using another condition where job title is equal to sales manager. So I need to give a bracket here, and now we can see that there is an empty set here because I think there is no information which satisfies both the conditions, that is greater than with the top 3 richest people, and the sales managers who are in the same territory. So we can see that so we have ended up getting an empty set. So now let's move on to the last question. For that, I need to create a user. So I'm creating a user with my name. I'm giving some part of my name as my password. I think there is a user with that one, so I'll be dropping that user. Now I'll be creating that one again. You can see that the user is created, and now I'm going to grant permissions to my user. And in the question I was asked to grant only the select statement for my products. So I'm going to grant only the select on the database dot the product for my user. Sorry. You can see that the query is accepted now, and now we can see that one in command line. As time is getting closer to 15 minutes, I'll be showing the command prompt video in the next URL. Thanks for that one. Thank you.